This app affairs show you
How to set a vibrate only alarm on iPhone. So if you don't want to set a sound for your alarm, you want only vibrate work, here's how to do it. First of all, launch the clock app and select alarms. Now let's create a new alarm. Select here the time and now tap on repeat. From here you can repeat the alarm every day. So I'm selecting here every Friday and every Monday. Go back from here and tap on level to add a level for the alarm. Now tap on sound and here scroll down all the way to the bottom and select none. Now scroll up and tap on haptics and here you will get bunch of different vibration. You can select any of them, or if you want to create a custom vibrate for your alarm, just tap on create new vibration. Okay, I'm selecting this one and tap on save, and that's it. This is how we can set a vibrate only alarm on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.